Hey guys, so I'm here with my CVS haul for the week of August the 17th. So let's just get started. The first fill I did was the Dawn. They are 99 cents each. We bought two of them. I had two 30-cent coupons, so they are $1.38 for the two, or 69 cents each. We also picked up a 2-liter of the Diet Coke. It is 99 cents with a 25-cent Redbox coupon, making that 74 cents. The next thing we purchased was the Flavor Ice Popsicles. They are regular price $1.49, but they are 50% off. So they were 75 cents each, or $1.50 for the both of them. No coupons. The Kids Horseshoe / Ring Toss set was originally $4.99, but again it was 50% off, so it was a cost of $2.49. The Cool Gear can / cuppy thing, it is regular price $5.99. It is 50% off, so it was $2.99. And the last deal on this transaction is the Nestle Pure Life Water. It is sale this week for $2.79 each. So together it is $5.58. I had $1.50 off of two manufacturer coupon, and then I had one $1 CVS coupon off of one. So that made it $3.08 for the both of them, or $1.54 each, which is a really, really good deal. Take a look at my receipt. The 60 one is because the two 30-cent coupons were not scanned, so she just manually entered it for 60 off of the two. I don't know what that extra dollar is, so I guess she just accidentally pushed it through twice, but I don't know. So we paid $11.77 out of pocket, and we saved $17.99, which was a 62% savings, which wasn't our greatest, but it's okay. And we have $8.22 tracking towards the spend 30 get back a $10 gift card.